It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. The defending champions of the Betway Premiership are Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates won the league for the first time in 14 years. On the other hand, Sundowns lost the league for the first time in 9 years. If you think about it, it was 2017, Bidvest Verds, Gavin Hunt wins the league. And then 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 8 years in a row, Sundowns won the league. And then in 26, of course, it was Orlando Pirates. We are back again. Every year we do this, where we predict number 3, number 2, and number 1. Next to me is Junior Kanye. Junior, thank you very much for joining us. Same question as I asked Utso. The expectation. Do you expect it to be competitive again? Last year, it ended in the last week of the season, in May. Do you expect this season, Betway Premiership, to be the same as well?
I don't think it's going to be so competitive. Reason being, I will single out one team. Doing is ngisho manje ngizosho because obvious question yakho kuzoba number 2 kuzoba 3 2 1.
Sure.
Yeah,
but in terms of the answering the question is that it's not going to go to May.
No, I don't think it's going to go to May because of I think ukubona kanye ukubona kabili and the team le ebone kabili which is Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't think they will allow that to happen again. They've got a strong team. I think they've seen bathatha izinto very light. The way baqala iBetway Premiership ngakhona last season, idlala a major role pre-season. Nokuya ku-Club World Cup, I think what Distepile coming back this side, we did very well. Noma ngabe we didn't qualify, go out to group stages, but we produce a beautiful football. But babe comfortable too much. Ba lose ama-game engamelanga bawalose, ba draw ama-game engamelanga bawadrawe. Also Champions League idlala indima enkulu kibo, yabo. Yeah, nalento rotate team unnecessary. Coach, I think imlimaza kakhulu and
he sacrificed a lot of cup competitions last season.
Yes, sacrificed a lot. And nenye sometimes you can't. If Pirates idlaling starting 11, ama-game 11 in a row. Why wena bongakwenzi lokho? Changing a team unnecessary. Sometimes noma ngabe ayishintshe ungayishintshi yonke. And Mikel Carlos, I think mistake ayenzeka Leo. And
I think this season as well, interesting just on that point, is a very good point. This season, Sundowns is going to play a lot of competitions. Yeah. Same with the Pirates, but Sundowns is going to have a Super Cup, a cup winner because we win a Champions League with the Asian champions. Ngabuya foot in the AFL as well. Yeah. So also squad management is going to be affected this season. I'm not saying it's Obakawa Tamara. Yeah. Also, I'm sacrifices. Wama trophy about MTN. I remember Sababu win Nedbank, Bashar, TS Galaxy, and I thought to myself, man, these guys, I don't think they want to win this Nedbank Cup. So I think we're going to go back to that point as well, even this season. They're going to have to pick and choose which competitions they take seriously.
Yeah, I know Sundowns in each corner, they like Spain, Brazil, they want to win each and everything if you get different. But true, coach need to be smart and technical team. In order, I was signing 100 or 200 players. Yeah, they sign about 30 something players, 40. Less than 40, let me put it that way. So, kuzomele ba choose mhlambe Champions League neBetway Premiership. You understand? Yes, bani squad that can challenge. Mele ba choose mhlambe mangisho kanjalo kuzomele kube ne squad esizodlala yona i-Culling and also MTN8. But the best players wabo ngikhuluma nge-starting 11 lesabanengcondo ukuthi bana this thing ukuthi they can win iBetway Premiership ngaso ne-Champions League. Kube yisidlala i-Champions League neBetway Premiership, that's all. Kube ne-team futhi edlala i-Culling ne-MTN8. Otherwise mangabe bazofuna ukawina wonke there will be a couple of injuries izoba khawata kuzodlala this thing thola ukuthi in 2 weeks badlala ama-game ayi-6.
Yeah.
And now lento izobalimaza kakhulu and noma ngaba ukhathala ngomzimba psychologically you get tired.
100%. It will be interesting as well how they replace Ujaden. Yeah. It's a forced replacement because of course they did not plan to replace him, but it will be interesting. I suppose a player like Umkhulise, you want him to rise again to the occasion, or any young defensive midfielder. Let me go to your CAF Confederations Cup, your number 3. It was a spot that multiple clubs fought for. I remember I was saying in your podcast, Junior Kanye TV, there are only 2 clubs in South Africa, which is Pirates and Sundowns last season. And you can see Bane gap 15 points between Bona and number 3. And then every week, Begunogena is Kukun. Angeno Coach Athazwane, number 3, Amazulu. ingene Chiefs iphume nayo ekugcineni yaze yayibamba Chiefs number 3. So last season battle bekungasi title race per se, it was the battle for number 3. Yes, the title race was between Pirates and Sundowns. Number 3. So let's look at number 3. How do you think it's gonna shape up? Who is your number 3?
Yeah, Amazulu, definitely for me. Amazulu, Atazwane did very well. Yabo. I think he came Amazulu at Amazulu. Ufika ngekho ube unsettled makafika. But as time goes, Atazwane team yakhe be stronger cool. Pool XTN played a major role there. Experienced player. I think eksekhaya for kuye lapana une support the coach believe in him. Bahlanganisa ama known players. Mixed with experience 2-3.
Sure.
But the team abo mina look balance, honestly. Just that but consider easy and consider I think the coach need to fix that defense yakhe. Also goalkeeping department in terms of attack, I think the team keep balance grand. For me, yena ngibonile usayine, if not mistaken, Kupidu join them. Ngibonile ama players telling for 2-3 join Amazulu. So in terms ukuthi ba beef up, ngibonile ba beef upile. Amazulu for me number 3 because they never played bad last season. It's just that joba ngisho ba lose ama game nabo. At home bengamelanga bawlose and ngamuzo Atazwane kunamama game bewalida 2-0 2-1 kusele boma 10 minutes 5 minutes critical game I face off game uthola ukuthi ba consider I defender I play li wing al pass ball square. I saw one of the game bayenza lokho and I defend yenza mistake and then thola baba punisher. So I'm sure bazokhula. For me number 3 Amazulu, they can challenge. They've got a couple of good players. They brought 3-2 players from Stellenbosch. I'm not too sure about Kupidu. Ngati bajoinile na ngisisho, but ngathi ngibone kancane. And bazoba so strong for me kule season ezoqala. And njengoba ngisho na last year, not the difference between them and Kaizer Chiefs. It was 6 point. Chiefs, well done to them. But njengoba ngisho Amazulu, for me they look better. Mangbabona last season. This year I think they're gonna be more better.
Yeah, it's a slot that's up for grabs on number 3 is South Africa. It can be anyone, really, if you think about it. Stellenbosch, normally they are number 3, and then they sell players. Even now, if you think about it, some of the players have left. To Ashley Chupido, he has left, I think it's in Israel. But there's a lot of players who leave Stellenbosch. So they build and they rebuild. It's Kukun and Abo, they were close to number 3. And then I think they've released 8 players, if not more. And then in Amazulu, they had awards. I think yesterday or the day before, they had awards. Extin winning awards, Makokolo winning awards as well. Tashrik Phyllis winning awards. So they look like a settled team. They have a World Cup stadium in Moses Mabhida. So we'll see. It's open for anyone to compete. The Kaizer Chiefs, of course, were number 3 as well. They will be playing in the CAF Confederations Cup. They will look to at least be in the picture. We shall see. I think that's the one slot on number 3 where everyone can fight for. Maybe 3 or 4 teams can fight for. Let's go then to your second place. Your second place is a team that's not going to win the league, but they're going to push whoever is going to win the league.
Yeah, second place, second team game Orlando Pirates. They lost a player influential. I mean, Mangiti playing influential. You talk about the young player that is so gifted and talented. A player that ebeka carry team umfana. Not to say good amanyama player they never played in the Menkulu, but the boy over decided lama game amaningi. You understand? Gule triple Pirates winile. Lamfana Fagisandla. We never saw such talented player of this category between Guye and Mfoke. No Bogazi. The boy uluza Lamfana urile. Kuzobalimaza kakhulu. Pirates I saw bapringe abo kampani lungu. Abo ba no Rapo. I saw they brought a couple of players.
Yeah.
I don't think they will be able to get Bavalele as
Yeah, I think that's the biggest question. Will a transfer window? Can they be able to fill that gap? And I don't even think they could go to the market and replace Mofokeng.
Yeah, but now this thing with Abu Tito, they will come and Mshambe Abu Tito is there.
Yeah, I think that's a big point.
Yeah.
I think Tito Musongani, the superstar, has left.
Yeah.
Now Befunuba is star. Be the star that you wanted to
Yeah,
be.
true. Tito, they need to raise the sandla sake. They were telling Orlando Pirates, this is the time that they need to come. We are dropper. So Pirates, I don't think they'll go to market. But honestly speaking, loser them fana. I think it's a big point for Orlando Pirates. Big lose. Big loss, I mean to say. And well done to boy. I think it's beneficial. And kuzoba nzima kakhulu Nkululeko, honestly speaking, and
How far do you think they can push? Nami, I agree that I think most likely Pirates will be number 2. How far do you think they can push?
yeah, the different this year mina ngibona
Do you find them being number 1, Mhlambe Skashana and then Sundowns rising? How far do you think they can push Sundowns?
I don't think it's gonna happen. Sundowns after lento ibonile last season. Phela not to say they are bad side, but yes, for me they will win games.
I think they're
Couple
gonna
of
win.
two-
If you think about it, even the opening matches, I don't know. They're playing a team newly promoted.
Yeah.
Depending on the fixture,
Against both teams they will win.
yeah. So yeah, in the first
Both
5
games,
matches, they will win
so,
like
so
4.
number 1 by 2.
Yeah.
And then going almost 4th, 5th, 6th games, kula boy one ozosalela emuva because
Yeah,
it's
the
gonna
depth
be,
of the team will be important because both of them are going to Champions League.
yes, true. They're going Champions League and Orlando Pirates ukhumbule Sundowns ifake pressure by winning second star. And Orlando Pirates they won a star if 1994, if
95, yeah.
95 if not mistaken. And now they will wanna push for a Champions League. Good, okay, even if we fail, but at least it's go final or winning it. So now it's gonna be so difficult. And
The
honestly
same point.
speaking,
Sorry to cut you, Junior. The same point besikhuluma ngayo with Sundowns. It's actually applicable to Pirates. Ukuthi nabo they're gonna have to choose whether because Pirates can they fight both ku Champions League na ku league na, and also be expected to win abo MTN abo Carling, or do they have to prioritize njenge Sundowns?
and the West one abama defending champions ekhali. They need to win. A couple of bazofuna ukuprotect Halloween. They have to choose. And also Pirates win MTN8. Now they choose do they want to win or not. They will wanna go out. If they will wanna go out as usual. Yeah, boy two a challenge, right. And the Pirates for me they play with players that they are not so much hot in terms of the experience compared to Sundowns. That's for me. Sankulman about Champions League playing year and year, each and every year. Pirates they've got talented players, but not experience like Sundowns players. I'm a players all on the Pirates where Sundowns. I don't think they will cope. You understand? Ukudlala wonke lama tournament the same. Ngikhuluma nge-intensity same. It's going to be so difficult and mele ba choose Betway Premiership even to maintain it. Yonke club edlala ne-Orlando Pirates they will want to double up effort. Angikhulumi nge-Sundowns because they knew Pirates last season ishama team kakhulu and how the brand of football Pirates played something else. So mele bakhethe nabo. Either they choose, I'm sure they will want to go for Betway Premiership. Bazofuna ukuyala bazofuna na Champions League. Amanye ama trophy mele ba choose is going to be so difficult.
Yeah, let's go to your number 1, which is
Yeah, number 1 it's Mamelodi Sundowns for me. Quality side. In fact, if I win the Champions League, why not winning a Betway Premiership? I believe winning Champions League is difficult to include Betway Premiership. You just tour around the country. You don't go outside. Treatment. You meet people that you know. Yabona ngiyazi babazi Africa. I went to Tanzania in Tanzania yes 2023 bangibuza nge-Sundowns but where Sundowns how they doing in fact in South Africa because ngezwa wonke umuntu is think Sundowns because of they participate in Champions League.
Sure.
They are popular in Africa. So honestly speaking game Sundowns very strong team. Unfortunately they lost to Jaden Adams. They're the best 3 midfielders.
Yeah.
But not bad this Marcelo Allende since he's been coached now by Ukarios, especially lately. Scoring goals, creating.
Oh yes. I remember now. Towards the end of the season,
Yeah, so-
he was scoring a lot of goals.
So I don't think lapayana Mkhulisi khona futhi I think it's going to be his chance. Ngoba Mkhulisi deserve to play. Noma ngabe Jaden beyakhona honestly Mkhulisi game onzima kakhulu. So I don't think it's a trans match but unfortunately man balose a diamond man. Yabo la umfana pick up akhona unfortunate may his soul rest in peace. I wish I'm a player now switch on because kuzoba a bit difficult a bit.
Yeah.
Mindset.
Yeah, there's also that's a potential one that can hold them back.
Yeah,
to
yabona.
lose your teammate.
I wish baqale nje kahle because uJaden udlale kahle uJaden kuMamelodi Sundowns and very important person and mhlambe ne-personality yakhe sengikhuluma nama player
to win the second star,
Yeah,
he
it's
was
gonna be-
very, very important.
important kakhulu and beka compliment uTebza very well. uTebza sometimes you could go forward knowing ukuthi uJaden is there enengqondo abantu abadala man you could read the game very composed yabo scoring vital goals so big decision making something else so Sundowns banama player that can come and fill up igap yalo mfana uJaden and bane strong team as uMailula is back.
Yeah. When he left to Cassius, ukubuya ka Cassius no Ribeiro if bekazobuya naye, but he's not coming back. I was like thinking that you can give them from the beginning of the season because Cassius uhambe na 21, and I remember he must have scored between 10 and 15 goals. Aqala ukudlala kwi-Betway Premiership. He was either young player of the season or one of the young players of the season. That's how good he was. Now he comes back, he's a little bit more matured. And I don't know, I think he's a level above of i-Betway Premiership.
Tells you ukuthi bafuna compete. The more pela they add ama-striker bafuna ba-compete. Leo, Reynas. We talk about top strikers that in the... These players okhuluma ngawo, they were contenders for top goal scorers.
Yeah.
Asikhuluma ngama-player scoring 3 goals, 4 goals. Now the battle is whoever that comes in, which is Leo Nyazi bamtrust and uziprovile first season. I wonder second season wenzani ke. Because the guy,
Yeah, if he plays the full season.
we understand that because he came second round of the season, ufikela wenza enye into. Each and every team is playing against him. Whereas Champions League is a threat, the guy. Now, Figo Romario. Yeah, but this guy remind me of Romario, Cassius. The boy started very well. I remember how to win young player of the season, yeah, right. Experience there, your man. It's over difficult. And Pela Magazo told the platform as good to Leo. He came at Sundowns. Leo is a top striker now. Mabazo make a chance will want to prove it. Reynas this year now also from Parmesan.
Yeah, so for you, Mamelodi Sundowns, the Betway winner.
Convincing because it's a player that can create chances and they've got 2 right wing back as well, left and right. Sundowns very strong side and midfielders. It's going to be so tough and Sundowns they're going to win, man. Betway Premiership for me.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. Yeah, the smart money is on Sundowns. I really think, I think even the defending champions are aware that they have a fight in their hands. Sometimes you know what the result will be, but you don't know the process. How is the movie going to look like? You know that Arnold Schwarzenegger is not going to die or Chuck Norris is not going to die. The star never dies in the movie, but how is the movie? How is going to be the process? I think the next season of the Betway Premiership, what we want to see is the intense battle between 2 teams. But in order for them to battle, I think Orlando Pirates are going to have to choose their battles carefully. Do they want to play all of these competitions or keep an eye on the Betway Premiership and the CAF Champions League? Can they even do that? We shall see. Orlando Pirates, the defending champions. Mamelodi Sundowns wanting to reclaim their Betway Premiership. It is Give Times. We're also sweating. Thank you for watching us.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.